Hey everyone, if you want to download videos from HeyGen in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to export and save your AI-generated videos to your computer step by step. Before downloading, make sure your video has finished rendering. HeyGen only allows completed videos to be exported. Next, go to the Projects section in your HeyGen dashboard. Yeah, this is where all of your created videos are stored. Now locate the video you want to save. You can either open the video directly or use the three-dot menu. Click the download option, so HeyGen will prepare the video file for export. You may have options to select the video quality, such as 720p, 1080p, or even 4K depending on your subscription plan. Yeah, higher resolutions provide better quality. Besides downloading the full video, you can also download audio files or subtitle files if needed. This is useful for editing or adding captions later. Choose a location on your computer and save the file. Once the download finishes, your video will be available offline. Open the downloaded file to make sure everything looks correct. So check the video quality, audio, and subtitles. Now you can upload your video to YouTube, social media, or edit it using your favorite video editor. Yeah, the downloaded file is ready to use. If the download button isn't working, refresh the page, wait for rendering to finish, or try using a different browser. Updating your browser can also help, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to download videos from HeyGen in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.